Hello, my name is Swissbianco. Today I would like to show you the Armee 90 camouflage Swiss Army knife. Let's go a bit back in the history. The Swiss military did accept in 1961 the first alox Swiss Army knife, a red one, red anodized. The anodizing did not hold up, so pretty soon they changed it to silver aluminum, silver alox as we know it today. And in 2008 the Swiss military was finishing their trials and accepting a brand new Swiss Army knife for the Swiss troops. But prior that happened already, some Swiss military soldiers did buy this relative unknown knife. It's called the 90 Armee. The camouflage scales are patterned after the 1990 Swiss Army camouflage in a green, black and 2 brown colors. That is basically the camouflage that we still use in the Swiss military. I still have that too in my drawer. So the print, of course, the Swiss cross, the Armee, Armee means army. That limited edition was made for the Swiss arsenal. They are not that easy to get. So that was a really important step in between the alox and the new adopted Swiss Army knife. Those knives here were mainly private buyed by the arsenal from people who want to have more knife than the alox one. And this was basically the reason that the Swiss military did accept in 2008 basically the same version but with different scales. They choose to have a new kind of scales, a dual fused version where the black and the green are two separate materials injection molded, and these parts here and that parts here stand out a bit of the scale, so you have a way better grip and it's way more slip resistant. Also, a good thing on these scales is that they are resistant about scratches. Pretty much they are solid through. The 90 Armee scales were basically black ones that got printed. It's a tampon print that they used, but they are pretty durable too, and if a scratch is on there, it's just black coming through the print and not red or any bright color, so that's pretty okay. So this is a really interesting knife for collectors of Swiss Army knives. It's basically in between the alox and the new one-hand opener Swiss Army knives that are now officially issued by the military, and of course still some troops use those private buyed knives as well.